Rub it on there? Oh, good
Yeah.
job. Can you rub it on the cake?
Can I just I love this.
Yeah.
I love what's on Google right now.
Ellis,
Oh, I
can,
can see.
Ellis, can some of it go on the cake?
Mom, keep your blocking. I love that song. Mom, you're blocking. I love
Okay,
that.
just put the cake. Hey, Google, turn it off. Okay, can you put more on your cake, Ellis? Can you do a little? You could look at. Yeah, you could eat it. That's your. Okay, now you're getting it all over your shirt though. Head here.
Warren, you can put a little bit more cream.
Next time I would put that down.
Okay.
Okay, Alice, your cake is looking very
One
empty.
spoon in, spoon out.
Can you put a lot more on your cake?
I have 2 pieces to do. I got 2.
No, put more.
Okay, Alice, no more eating. You got to put it on the
There's
cake.
this knife here.
No more eating. Mama has to take it away if you keep eating. There you go. No, put it on the cake.
The cake's falling apart.
No,
That's
put
okay.
this with a knife. Hold this
Okay,
knife
you can
here.
eat it. You can-
Ow.
And you can.
No, you got to put it on the cake.
You see, it's much easier, isn't it?
Want me help you put it on the cake?
Has anybody put
Yeah.
anything on the cake?